watch the part 1. It's out. Well, it's basically part 2 now. As I said, comment your favorite like what is it again? Favorite
Guys,
if we hit 1K on my other account on YouTube, if we hit 1K subscribers, Aki will pay Silver Bill.
please, 99 subscribes. I want that.
99? Nah, 1K. And we're gonna reveal our dogs.
Yeah. But because we cannot say only
Yeah.
9 dogs.
Yeah. But because Kukay is on diba we do a video on her, so well you guys know her. If you guys don't know her, you guys should watch our videos.
English or sponsor?
Shush. That's not me.
You guys,
Whoever boys in here,
I will tell. Guys, whoever don't subscribe first is gay. Subscribe now.
no, you said whoever subscriber is gay.
Oh, I mean, whoever don't subscribe,
Is gay.
yeah, or again, if you don't subscribe,
You're a tomboy.
you are not gay.
yeah.
Not the boy.
Yeah.
I'm asking the girl, not the boy. Because the boy is gay. Because the boy is gay. And I slice and I put the boy on the box and close it.
I don't understand.
And the girl, I tell her and if done, I will put her in the box and close it. So that's it.
I can't understand you, dude.
But what is, guys, what is sex? What is 60? Level impossible. Don't tell her, Yana, or your boy.
Namin ko naman ah. Wala.
Guys, guys, if you want to add friends, say
Please, Aki, add me.
or Yana or Blacky.
Yeah, Blacky. I'm not Ayana anymore. I mean, my name is Ayana, but you can call me Blacky if you want.
But you don't know what is my name.
Sound like a witch. I have a son. I have a witch on my bag.
Guys, yeah. Already, but
You can, as you can see, the time is 7:34.
yeah, we are 7:31.
Too dark is the real life right now.
Guys, if you are, I miss guys so much because
We're gonna ban you. We're gonna ban you. We don't like you.
because you take our shit. If you don't want to ban, then
Support thinking.
give our seed back.
Yes.
If you are you a guy? Then
Well, hello, my friend. wampon. Tagay. Tagay, sila mo to. Sila mo to.
Ikaw man! Pag naluaw ng kwento na si Gopsy.
Guys, if we hit 2K subscribers, we gonna vlog a real life video. Real life video. If we hit 2K subscribers. Oh my God, we miss Aki's birthday. I forgot. It was July 30. But say happy birthday. If it's August 6. I mean, yeah. From Americans, the date is August 5. Oh, wait, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Rogol Gas King Face. Ay, wait guys, meron akong classmate na pangalan sa King. Tawag sa kanya. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo.
Dito yun!
Tukeng. Tukeng, tukeng, tukeng. Tukeng. Tira mo ko. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, safari dog. I got a safari dog. To the burger. If you like KO, then don't watch this. Cause case is queso is yeah. And I hate it cause he didn't eat fruits.
Because I eat banana.
And she's a monkey.
I am a monkey, guys. Not confident. Or I will say you a monkey too.
Monkey Kong.
Or I will say you a King Kong if you are 11 years old.
Guys,
If you tell me, if you get my
we will subscribe to your channel even you have no yes. Even though you have videos like,
if you have soup.
and we're gonna heart your comment. Yeah. And yeah,
That's it.
just forget about it.
Guys, tell my age. What is my age? I will tell
Oh my
you.
God.
I will tell you a hit. 10 to 1. That's it. 10 to 1.
Yes.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. If you get a wrong,
Then oh my God, si King Faiza, oh. Ay, King, pengi po ng pengi po, you for the pet.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Ay, tatlo binigay niyo sa akin. Tatlo. Tatlo binigay niyo sa akin. Yeah, you're so kind. You deserve shout out.
And nice.
Yeah. So guys, dito na naman tatapos ang video na to. Kung gusto niyo pa ng part
2. Mag-like and subscribe and
no, it's wrong. 3. Part 3. So, part 3.
Part 3.
Yeah. So,
Kung gusto nyo,
remember